This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. Immacualte, light and bright and move-in ready. This home boasts new gorgeous porcelain neutral tile floors, large open spacious floor plan with gourmet kitchen with island and tons of cabinets and prep space. Fabulous ceiling treatments through the home with oversized master and bath that will make every day start bright feeling like a star. Soaker jetted tub too. The backyard is private with no rear neighbors to enjoy privacy and feeling like you're way out in the country. RV connections for your RV and parking spot. Small private cul-de-sac just minutes from either Black Bayou or Cypress launches. Some draperies reserved. New custom blinds in the kitchen to remain. For more information, review the details below.